Practical, these are 6 ways to clean motorcycle carburetor. One of the parts of the motor that serves as the combustion system for the motor is the carburetor. There are still many motorcycles that use carburetors even though there is now a combustion technology that employs electronics or injection, which we often refer to as fuel injection. Because it is involved in the combustion process, the motor carburetor may be one of the most crucial motor parts. When air and motor fuel are combined in the carburetor, they are then sent into the combustion chamber to begin the combustion process. Occasionally, problems with carburetors include them being too unclean. A dirty carburetor will cause problems with the engine, including stuttering and difficulty starting the engine. You must be knowledgeable about correct carburetor cleaning techniques if it is dirty. Cleaning the carburetor is one vital way we may maintain the carburetor's condition and keep it working properly. Pay close attention to the procedures below for cleaning the carburetor if you want to know how to do it correctly. 1. Take the carburetor out of its holder. The carburetor must first be taken out of the holder before the holder itself. To release the carburetor, you must first get a tool or key ready. When attempting to remove the carburetor, exercise caution. 2. After cleaning the carburetor bowl. The motor carburetor bowl is then opened by removing all of the hook bolts. Next, check for any silt or contaminated components. If it's dirty, scrub it with a gentle brush before giving it a gasoline rinse to make it shine. 3. Depart and inspect the pilot jet. The motor carburetor's needle jet, main jet, and pilot jet must then be removed. You should carefully remove it, then blow it clean right away. Instead of needing to blow manually, using a compressor will make things simpler. 4. Carburetor with a clean main jet. Include the main jet and needle jet after removing the pilot jet. Then would you use a compressor to clean it? Now, you must exercise caution when cleaning this needle jet. After finishing with a brush that has been dipped in gasoline, use a compressor to spray on the hole. 5. Sprout the carburetor. The carburetor nozzle needs to be cleaned as the following step in the cleaning process because it has a significant impact on how well the engine performs. When cleaning the nozzle, you must be careful not to alter its diameter because doing so would likely result in the engine not starting. Using fine sandpaper to remove any remaining debris, you can clean the sprayer. 6. Reassembling the carburetor, Step 6. The final step is to correctly assemble and disassemble it from the motor. Then, using a caliper, modify the engine float height to modify the fuel mixture. Reinstall the carburetor in its original location after putting all the parts back together. You must be aware that meticulousness is necessary if you wish to clean the motor's carburetor on your own. Pay attention and constantly keep in mind where the different parts of the carburetor are located. You can take your motorcycle to a repair shop if you have problems cleaning it yourself to keep unwanted stuff out.